Hey everybody, happy Sunday. It's Zaby with you at Z Lifestyle. I'm here at Santa Monica Beach Pier and it's beautiful out, nice and sunny with a light breeze. Just went for a quick jog, which is awesome. So happy Sunday to everybody. Right now they're having a roller derby class going on. So I'll show you guys a little clip of it. And they're teaching people how to roller skates and to dance with music on roller skates. So I'll show you a little clip of it. Here we go. That's how it is. So the class looks like it's being given by the LA Roller Girls. So if you want to take a class and learn how to roller skate, look up LA Roller Girls and Google them, and you can be out here with them on a nice sunny Sunday learning how to roller skate. There you go. And here's the beach for you, just to show you how beautiful of a day it is. So before the sun goes down, come to the beach, go for a quick jog, and enjoy the sun. Beautiful sunny California. All right, everybody, happy Sunday and see you soon. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube and subscribe. Z Lifestyle, Zaby Valencia. Okay, happy Sunday. Bye.